All right, so what are the lower highs and higher lows rules? If we want to take a trade in the terms of lower highs and higher lows, can we take a trade? Come, let's say. Let's start with this example. It's very important and very interesting because it will give you 100% confirmed movement in the chart. All right. See this example of a bearish trade first. The trend was bearish from here. It came down, created a first, which is this one, and then it created the first lower high. Okay, after creating that, it came to the extreme low, went up again and created one more area, and then came down to create a double bottom. As soon as we see the double bottom, should we enter into it? No. Let's not be aggressive, because I will teach you how to be aggressive trader as well. But right now, to get a confirmed trade, what we have to do, we have to wait for the market first to break out. I taught you in the last before the three episodes, we've just learned how to take a breakout, right? So what we saw is, we first saw this breakout. After the breakout, the first and extreme lower high that it was created, the market will come and test even that one. Once it has tested that old lower high, then what we will do, even then we will not enter into the trade. We will wait for the market to retest. What will the market retest? The last resistance which converted into support after the breakout. We will wait for that, and then even then 10% of chances are there that the market could falsify and move down, but we will not take that 10% of risk. We will wait for the market to come and consolidate again. Market will usually make a lower high here to confuse, all right? But once it creates again a double bottom, as you can see here, this is the entry point where we can enter on a small time frame. I have colored it in blue color, but this is the exact place where we have to enter after confirmations. How many confirmations did we took? We took the first confirmation, we took the second confirmation of the double top, we took the third confirmation of the breakage of the breakout, correct? And then why did not we took the entry here too long? Why? Because this double top which was created, it gave us a fear that the market might go down as well. But how did we remove the fear? We removed the fear as soon as we tested the same zone, which was this one. Market came down in the same zone, we tested it, and that fear got disappeared when the market started from here. So I mean, I would have taken entry from here, keeping this as the stop loss, and my TP here, right? The same thing happens in the bearish trades as well. Market is coming from down, it creates a high, then it creates a higher low, after that it creates a higher high and makes a double top, retesting that same area once again. Once it is done, we are alert, market is moving up, but we need confirmation. So for the confirmation, as soon as we see the breakout, we wait for the market to see that whether it goes up or not. See, remember, always remember, if the market is going up, it is going to come down also to give you an entry. So never feel FOMO that you are left out. No, always wait with the rule that the market will come back again to give you an entry point. And see, that is what's happening. The market went up to the same zone of that lower low, which lower high which was created, this higher low which was created. All right, this higher low which was created, it again came to test it. After testing it, it went up back. It went up back. Why? Because here a new lower low has been created. Now the test has been done. The test has been done on the support, but this is only to confuse the market, right? Because as soon as the market will test up again the resistance which was here available, the historical resistance, right? We will wait. We cannot just short here. We cannot short here. We have to wait for the market to retest again, and this would be our perfect entry point. These are the rules of lower highs and higher rules. Guys, watch it again. Go through the video again if you don't understand it, and we're always there to help you up. All right, let's move ahead.